With the Mopit on its back, use the included 5/32 Allen wrench to remove the old wheels by turning the wrench counterclockwise. If your Mopit still has the old hard plastic wheels, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Place the lock washer on the new wheel and attach it to the squeegee bar by turning the wrench clockwise. Stand the Mopit up. Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at mopit@mopit.com if you have any questions or concerns about your Mopit. Thank you for being a Mopit customer.